All right, so to get a better understanding of how to take simultaneous equations and put them into matrices form, we're going to go through this example one here, which says represent the linear equations below in matrix form. So let's have a look at this one. What are we going to do? Well, remember, what we're going to do here is we're going to create a matrix like this, and we're going to take all of, and let me actually get the colors the same as what I did up there. We're going to go, all right, this. Now, there's nothing in front of this y. And remember, when you've got no coefficient, there's an invisible one. It's a 1. So that's going to be -1. You have to include the sign in front of it. So that means what I'm going to put here is 2, 3, 5, and -1. So all the coefficients of the pronumerals go in your first matrix. Next, we're then going to multiply this by a 2 by 1 matrix of the x and y. So whatever your letters are, so in this case it's x and y, they live here. And then in your answers, it's obviously a 2 by 1 again. So it's going to be 23 minus 2, like that. So that's where your answers go. So you take your answers and you put them there. Now let's talk about why this works. The reason why this works is because you've got to understand how matrix multiplication works. So remember, matrix multiplication, if I wanted to multiply these two matrices together, well, this is a 2 by 2, and this is a 2 by 1. So I know that the product is going to be, well, remember, you just ignore these, it's going to be a 2 by 1, 2 by 1. So we'll come over here. And remember, the way that we do this, to find our first one here, it's going to be 2 times x, which is 2x, plus 3 times y, which is 3y. And then to get the next one here, it's going to be 5 times x, which is 5x, plus -1 times y. Now that's just going to be -y there. Now this is going to be equal to 23 minus 2. Now, do you see how this right here is the same information as we were given up here? It's 2x plus 3y is equal to 23, 2x plus 3y is equal to 23, and 5x minus y is equal to -2. 5x minus y is equal to -2. So it's because of matrix multiplication that enables us to write this simultaneous equation in these matrix form. So that's how it works. Hopefully that makes sense. We'll now go on to the next one.